closer the camera.
Bus number 21, go to the right side. And bus number 8. Bus number 8, please proceed to my left side and occupy the spaces we have. Bus number 8, watch your step na lang po dahil meron din tayong uneven floor. Okay? Bus number 8, ayan, sige po, dito po tayo sa left side. Occupy po natin yung spaces na meron dyan. Bus number 8, compress everyone, move forward po po so the people at the back can also view our entrance. Bus number 8, move forward po po.
Pasok pa
Bus number 8, move forward po.
Meron pa dito.
Bus number 8, proceed na may space pa po tayo doon. Ayan, sige, ate, sunod ka na. Bus number 9, please go to my center. Bus number 9, please go to my center and occupy the spaces we have. Ayan. Bus number 9, ayan, proceed po dito sa center and occupy the space. Enjoy po sa ating first station.
Diretso po muna tayo sa left side. Sige po, pasok po tayo sa left side mo.
Once again, feel free to enjoy po sa ating first station.
Ito nga lang po.
Meron po tayong apat na diorama here. For the dioramas na meron po dito. That's our first station. You will see a lot of areas. And then the unity area, literary area, summer area, 70. Sustainable development goals. That's our first station. You'll see 30 arts meet. Then give me SCG number 2. Zero hunger. It is self-sufficient na dapat matuto po tayong magdating through the backyard garden. Of course, we have the SCG number 4. Quality and innovation. This is very important to you guys. Kaya naman dapat matuto tayo for your future success. Meron din po tayo dioramas sa literary area. Ano yan ang SCG number 5? Health and quality. Also promotes the women empowerment. Of course, attending to SCG number 6. Clean water and sanitation. We should maintain the cleanliness of our water for continuous drinking. Attending to
Makita mo ba yung airpods na magsasaka?
Royco and clean energy. It was excited ng United Nations kung saan nagpagamit na po tayo ng renewable energy to save more electricity. Andyan din po ang ating diorama sa ating soccer area kung saan nandiyan ang SDG protect. Kaya naman, every summer we avoid using
na lang po.
Alam mo yung dyan.
Pasok. May ano eh. May
Pasok yung cellphone dyan, tapos iikot na gano'n lang. Papasok yung
Kami
cellphone.
ng tao. Kanina kasi tayo lang.
Nagawa ko, ma'am.
Nagawa mo ba? Patingin. Ano sa'yo?
Nag-video pa po.
Dapat.
Siran mo ako.
Dapat yan, try mo.
Pasok yung cellphone ko dyan. Ay, aray ko. Pero pang kay Sarmento rin. Hindi kaya nyo dyan. Iyaga. Try mo. Katata yun eh. Ikaw kay katata.
Zero hunger. SDG number 3, good health and well-being. SDG number 4, quality education. SDG number 13, climate action. SDG number 5, gender equality. SDG number 6, clean water and sanitation. SDG number 7, affordable and clean energy. SDG number 8, decent work and economic growth. SDG number 10, reduce inequalities. SDG number 11, sustainable cities and communities.
Say hi.
Unang SDG right of the Solar City.
Post ko to eh.
Number 16, peace, justice, and strong and solution. Of course, the SDG number 17, ownership for justice.
Ah! Medyo ba ako? Video ka nun. Ah! No, sinila mo.
Alright, reminder lang po na nasa your sa mga personal belongings. And of course, sa ating mga interactive activities to avoid sa penalties.
Mama, mag-umpisa. Mahaba mo. Huwag ka naman video kay tumulong ka na lang. Hindi ako tutulong ako with one hand. Ako na. I need to... Umanap ka na lang na magkakadugtong. I need to photograph this. So I can post it to my YouTube. For views.
YT channel ka ba?
Apo, ma'am.
Siguro mga 1 year tayo dito kasi walang
Alright, everyone. I'm calling all your attention. Please follow time the podcast.
Oh, eto, nagkikisan.
wait lang.
Pero kasi pagkadudugtong na ito. Patrick, tira mo yung pagkadudugtong, oh.
Tara na!
Boy.